What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic, currently seeing at 0.71, down 1% on the day. Seeing market cap 7.06, big, 24 volume, 312 million. So if we look at the chart, we pushed up in a nice ABC. Now there is a possibility of a leading diagonal. So you would look at 1, 2, 3, 4, push up into 5, similar setup for Ethereum. If that wave 2 low breaks, then I would expect you to come down in a lower low. Still looks corrective, but leading diagonals, they do form like this as well. And we're just looking for that larger wave 2 pullback. So if we look on the weekly chart, bear market low, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and then the micro count 1 into a 2. Currently holding some pretty strong support, the 78.6% fib level. So that's where we want to see a bounce and a push back to the upside. So another opportunity to get into Matic as an investor, in my opinion. Down here at this support, and people are always scared to buy at these levels. Just make sure to DCA. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Matic. If we start to break that wave 2, as I mentioned, 0.062, then that would be a sign you're going to come down deeper. I wouldn't expect you to go much deeper than 57 cents. But I think there's a decent chance that we end up putting in a leading diagonal. We hold the wave 4 pullback. We don't break the wave 2 low. We push up in a wave 5 for our friend Matic. So that's what I'm looking at. If you want free access to my signals, we had a nice short on Gala on the way down. 130% profit. I'm also trading Forex. Just sign up to Bitonix. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit. Send me an email. Completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, 50x sniper, 100x sniper, 4x signals. Every day trade signals for free with a sign up and deposit to Bitonix. If you don't want to do that, $10 a month through the Patreon link. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.